sorry about. Okay guys, an e-commerce website is hiring remote workers right now. This company is literally employing or need clients from almost everywhere in the world right now, because this is one of the biggest online e-commerce store right now that is employing this company right now. I'm going to be giving you the details right now and showing you the company right now. But before I get into that right now and all the benefit that this company that is hiring right now offers, if you are new to this channel right now and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for right now? All I'm asking right now is that you click the red button below this video in just 1 second, and click the thumbs up button below this video also in another 1 second, and leave a comment down below this video in like 3 to 5 seconds. You're done with all these 3 things that I asked you to do right now. That's all it's gonna take you. This doesn't take you more than 5 seconds. Just leave a comment, either positive or negative. All that I want is to get better with this video that I do, showing you guys opportunities that you guys are not aware about, that you can take advantage of right now. Without further ado, let me show you this website and all the benefits that is attached to this job offer that I'm about to show you right now. So here we are right now on the website. You can see right now, I don't probably even need to start telling you about this. Everybody know Amazon is number one biggest e-commerce website in the world right now, and they are actually employing remote workers right. Okay, so here you can see all the openings that are in Amazon right now. I don't know wherever you're watching this video from. I'm going to put the link below this video that will take you to this website. So yeah, you can see all of this offer. You can see they have bunch of offers. You don't even have to be in the IT industry alone. You might just be account manager. All of these things are there. You might be in the software, even though they had there, because it's like an online company. So there is more of there's more of the software kind of guys, which are the science guys and all that. But basically they still get customer solution manager and all that, customer service person, and you can see they still have page 2 to page 3 and even to 1000. That's Amazon just had like thousands of opportunities for you guys right now. So you're going to click that link below this video right now, so it can take you to this website. You can see all kinds of, I don't know what country you are from right now. Let me see what country I can type in here right now, just to show you that this is Amazon and they are employing people from anywhere in the world. Let me just say, what country can I type here? Should I type Africa? Should I type Asia? Should I type Arab country? I don't even know where to type right now. Should I type Europe or America? I want to take it out of American, take it out of Europe, and just maybe bring it to Asia, or I don't know what should I type right now. I'm just trying to think, because just to show you that these Amazon job are just from everywhere, like everywhere. I've not even done this before right now, but I just want to type a random country right here, so you can see that Amazon is really in for this one. What country can I type? Let's type Japan right now. That's just what comes to my head right now. I don't know what you want me to type, but this is just what comes to my head. Tokyo, Japan. Let's just see what job. Let's see if they have something in Japan right now. Maybe we can then come back and type Africa right here. Maybe we can do that, but let's see. Okay, so here you can see, look at all the job they have in Japan, guys. Man, if you are in Japan right now, man, they even have 500 plus full-time job in Japan, right, guys? That's how cool this is. So for me to show you again, we're going to type another country in Africa right now, just to show you that this Amazon job opportunity is the in and the biggest thing right now. Sorry about that. The big, and you can see how many jobs they have in Japan. So let's just say, let's type should we type Ghana or Nigeria? Let's just go for Nigeria right now. Let's go for Nigeria right now. Let's find Nigeria. Let's find Nigeria. Let's see if they have it something in Nigeria, just to show you that this Amazon is okay. Boom. So guys, we have one offer in Nigeria right now. So if you're watching this in Nigeria or Africa, wherever you're watching this from, all you just need to do is to just type your country right here to see what offer they have for people in your country. And once you see it, just click on it